Good day and welcome to the iGaming channel. Today we're looking at essential tools and resources for iGaming affiliates. This is from the iGaming channel run by myself. I have a iGaming media agency called the Casino Marketing Shop. I've been doing iGaming affiliate marketing for just over 20 years now, and I'm just putting these guides together to help my fellow affiliates with my selfish motivation. If you want any help and consultancy, all of my details are in the description below. Our expertise is SEO, pay-per-click, social, web design, TV media advertising, that type of thing. And we've also got a list to our top 100 iGaming programs recommendation and series in the description below. So in today's video, we're walking you through the essential tools and resources for iGaming affiliates to help you grow, optimize your business and stay compliant. So from SEO and analytics to affiliate tracking and geo-blocking, hopefully this toolkit will be part of your success. So the first thing we're looking at is SEO tools. Popular SEO software is most people use Ahrefs, SEMrush and Moz. That's globally in all industries. The SEMrush dashboards are particularly good, and these platforms, SEO software, give you pretty much everything you need. So you can use them for keyword research, you can use them for competitor analysis, and you can also use them for backlink audits. So if you've got a particular competitor that you want to focus on, or if there's a web page that's ranking ahead of you, it's quite easy to use these tools to find out which sites are backlinking to your competitors, and you can then copy those, mimic those, reverse engineer them. And if you have all of your competitor backlinks and some more of your own, if your content's good quality, the chances are that you'll rank above them. So Ahrefs, SEMrush, they're the main tools. You can find profitable keywords, you can find low-hanging fruit keywords, i.e. long tail keywords that doesn't have much competition. And really the key with these bits of software is to analyze your rivals and reverse engineer what's working. So for instance, I have a big SEO team, and we regularly keep track of the top iGaming affiliates, names you would have heard of, the guys right at the top of the tree, and we try and copy as many links of theirs as we can on a regular basis. But do use those SEO tools, because without them you're kind of firing blind. So far as content management is concerned, it's really important to have a good quality CMS. We build everything on WordPress. I believe something like 60-70% of websites globally are now hosted on WordPress, which is essentially a free open source content management system that has 1,000,001 plugins. So any feature you've ever seen on a website on WordPress, there's a plugin for it. So it's very easy to use. It's flexible, it's versatile, and it's highly SEO friendly. There's tons of casino affiliate themes on WordPress as well. Themes like Mercury, Rehab, betting theme. They've got hundreds of hours of design work and website structuring already on them. So if you buy yourself a theme, then it gives yourself a big head start from the off in terms of having a well optimized website design structure, save you potentially hundreds of hours building something from scratch. And again, the main bonus with WordPress is the integration with other plugins. So if you want bonus tables, sliders, pop-ups, data collection forms, custom call to action buttons, WordPress is really the gold standard for affiliates. And also it's very easy to get resources for WordPress. There's millions of freelancers out there that can support you. We have a team of WordPress developers that support affiliates and operators that we work with, and there's so many economies of scale, like automation plugins that will save you hundreds of hours of work, and SEO plugins like Yoast and Heatmaps that can just really direct and engineer your SEO properly, irrespective of how much experience you have in SEO. The next set of resources you want to look at is link and conversion tracking. Without conversion tracking, you're kind of flying blind to an extent. So you really need to know which pages, buttons, and campaigns are converting. So we recommend packages like Voluum, VOLUM, VOLUUM, or RedTrack. Those sort of software plugins, they'll help you with advanced tracking for pay-per-click, social, native advertising. With those software, you can see every click, every conversion, every geo device, and more. And they're really useful for split testing, A/B testing landing pages, and optimizing in real time. Hotfrog is another one that's quite useful, and that will actually record your users' activity when they comes to the site. So if you've got a new offer or a new promotion, one way of A/B testing that, maybe send 50, 100 people to it, and you can actually monitor their screen activity with Heatmaps to see what's working and what's not. Another good package that we advise is called Pretty Links for WordPress. That helps you cloak and manage affiliate links cleanly, and it's great for SEO-friendly slugs as well. But make sure you track everything and optimize what works and kill what doesn't, because traditionally in the gambling world, if you try 10 campaigns, 8 of them won't work. So the key is try 10, bin 8, keep the 2, focus on the 2 and look to scale those up, and keep that process going. Test 8, keep 2, bin 8, keep testing, and that's how you scale. You might initially scale in country A, test 10, keep the 2, and try those 2 in some other countries as the best way of scaling. Some particularly useful resources for analytics and behavior, because you really need to dial into your performance to understand how users behave on your site. Well, Google Analytics is really top of the tree. That's a free solution from Google. Most webmasters are familiar with it. With Google Analytics, you can track user flow, bounce rates, conversions. You can set different goals within there, such as clicked on affiliate link to measure success. And if you combine that with the search console, that gives you great visibility with your SEO. A few other packages that we'd recommend: Hotjar, which I talked about earlier, that monitors user behavior and gives you heat maps as to where people are clicking, where people are dropping off. Microsoft Clarity is another useful package for this. The heat maps really show you where users click, scroll, and drop off, and it's about finding those weak points where players drop off and trying to fix those. And also with these, you can watch real session replays to spot what your UX issues are. And if you see people scrolling past your calls to action, that's usually a sign to move it up or change the copy. As for compliance, that's become a lot more prevalent in recent years for iGaming affiliates as markets become more regulated, particularly in tough markets, strictly regulated markets like the UK, US, and EU. Compliance isn't optional anymore. You could work for a bookmaker or casino for years, but if all of a sudden they find something that's on your site that isn't compliant, they may have no choice but to shut you down, and they don't care what your future revenue is. If you're not compliant, it's a perfect excuse for a gambling operator shut you down, stop paying you, absolutely nothing you can do about it. So there's GeoDirect and blocker tools, plugins like IP2 location, geo redirects. Those are automatically block or redirect us from restricted regions, which could be useful. So if, for example, you're building a global site and it happens to get traffic from a market that you don't have compliance or licensing or the clients to operate in, then those can block and redirect users from restricted regions. Age verification scripts are really useful. Those are, for instance, a simple pop-up just requiring users to confirm that they're 18 plus. That's always useful. You sometimes see that on alcohol and tobacco sites or adult sites. They won't actually let you in until you've clicked a pop-up to confirm that you're 18 plus. And you can use that with cookie tracking to avoid repeat prompts. So if someone under 18 and is regularly coming back to your site, you just block them. You can also use cookie consent plugins. There's tools like Cookie Yes or Compliance with a Z that works well. They're generally required under GDPR and other data laws, and ultimately staying compliant protects your site, protects your reputation. Most importantly, it protects your income. In terms of bonus productivity and creative tools, there's a few bonus tools that can help you keep your workflow tight and your content sharp. Trello and Notion, two useful project management tools. If you've got a team, those will help you plan your content, track tasks, and organize affiliate promotions. Canva is another useful one. It's really useful for creating thumbnails, bonus banners, comparison tables, that type of thing. There's some really useful content writing tools out there. Grammarly is very useful. That'll ensure that your reviews are typo-free, professional, and localized for the language that you're targeting. Even small tweaks in clarity and visuals can boost your click-through rate. And never make content that's full of spelling and grammar mistakes, because people just switch off and it kills your credibility. Likewise, people don't like being talked to via AI content. If people know it's AI, it really doesn't work. So if you're using content writing tools, just make sure that you proofread and humanize the content. Otherwise, it can switch people off and become expensive. So in summary, whether you're starting out or starting, we have an established iGaming affiliate business. It's really important to use the right tools for automation, quality control, compliance, and such like. They help you work smarter, they keep you compliant. Most importantly, they help you grow your income. You don't need to use them all at once, but certainly do think about auditing your site here and there on occasion, just to make sure that everything's up to scratch. So I hope you found this program useful. In the description below, we'll put the contact details to my iGaming affiliate agency. I've been in the business over 20 years. If you need any help or advice with your SEO, acquisition, paid traffic, PPC, creative design, content provision, that type of thing, feel free to contact us or put any comments in the links below. I'll also put a link to our top 100 iGaming affiliate programs, which is a series that we're building at the moment for iGaming affiliates. Thanks very much for your time.